this? And I love the way that they come out of the case in 10 seconds.
Yep. What are we moving on to? We've got other new stuff to look at.
Scalextrics.
Got some cars.
And sets.
We've got sets too, yes.
Then we get a whole heap of sets.
We've got a whole heap of sets. So
I couldn't fit them in the studio.
No, because they're pretty big. So we've got Bathurst sets back. And I don't remember the rest.
Bathurst.
Sorry.
People might.
What's wrong with that?
Well, they might, you know.
I didn't say Bratwurst.
Oh, okay. I'm going to get this one off. Sorry.
Yeah, unscrew it. You want to do all the rest?
You don't have to unscrew all of them, but this one here, how cool is this? And I love the way that they come out of the case in 10 seconds.
Yep.
Because they very rarely go back in 10 seconds.
I think we need to get closer on this, eh?
Let's go to Overhead Town. Get in there, mate. Oh,
get that focused.
Get that focused, and then change over like a pro. Boom. Look at this. What a star.
Wow.
That is
what
a
are we looking
Tyrrell.
at?
That is a P34 Terrell. Iconic because it's a six-wheeler. 4 in the front.
So this is a Mexican one, right? Because it's got the white center section.
Being Tyrrell, I think it's English.
What, no tacos?
Tacos? No, it's got the guide plate and the shoes.
No tequila?
Maybe it was. I'm pretty sure it's electric, this one.
No ole?
Guacamole. Holy guacamole.
I only think of food, don't I?
That's right.
I'm hungry.
So, what have we got? P34.
Yep, six-wheeler.
Six-wheeler.
Yep, iconic. So I used them for was it a couple of years?
Peterson's in this one. Yeah, I think it went for a couple of years, didn't it?
Yeah, and then it got to the point where
different states. So this one here has got clear like windows in the cockpit. That was iconic of this evolution of the car.
Yep.
So probably so he could see the front wheels off overtaking and whatnot.
Yep.
Yeah, really, really cool. The other one had a different sort of cockpit and a screen, but yeah.
Good detail.
How cool is that?
I mean, you can see all the straps on the driver's face. The proportions are really good, aren't they?
I like it. How do you reckon it handles?
I reckon it'll go pretty good.
Yeah? These big, I reckon it will. With these big back rubber tyres,
these are huge.
I reckon it will scoot around.
And look at it. It's so flat, right? The profile on that. That's cool.
I like it.
Yeah.
So that
Tyrrells are cool, yeah?
That is one example. And people will buy this, even if they don't have Scalextrics. They'll buy this, take the shoe off of it, and put it on the shelf. That is just a cool scale little model, no?
Yeah, look cool.
Really cool.
Yep.
All right, what have you got over there?
Well, we've got a Porsche.
A Porsche.
Porsche.
What can you tell me about this Porsche? 911 Carrera RSR.
Not much. I don't know much about it.
3-litre air-cooled. Quite iconic. When you think of a Porsche, that's what you think of. But it's pretty easy for a model that hasn't really lost its identity, you know, from where it started over the past, 55 years.
So what year are we talking RSRs? This is late 70s, early 80s?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's got a big whale tail?
Yeah, with the whale tail, and I'd say it's probably early to mid 80s. I think that was a late thing then.
It's got the wide rear end?
Yeah, that's because it's
But it's not a wide front end, is it?
Well, they're wider at the back, the race ones.
How cool is it?
Pretty
There's
cool.
A driver as well?
It's got a driver?
Yep.
Well, it can't drive itself.
Oh, you can drive it. And look at the reflection coming off the bodywork. Really nice finish.
It is really nice, isn't it?
All the way across the decals too.
And even the perspex of the glass in it is really nice. Really clear. Like it's not all ripply and distorted.
That's right. When you see the reflection going all the way through the glass and it looks the same as on the bodywork, I mean, they've done a really good job. So that rear there.
You know, given the fact that you're going to roar this around the slot car track, really cool.
Zing zing.
And what's another one?
This one here.
Whoa, what is that?
It's Honda Civic.
A Honda Civic. That is cool. I like the little antenna on the top.
This one's quite new, isn't it?
This will be a race one, I'd say, from the
This is one of those British Civics.
I think so. I think it's a British touring car.
Yep.
I'd have to Google it, but yeah, I'd say that Shedden is a famous British touring car championship.
Shedden.
Shedden. Not Porchin. He's in the shed. Shedding. What are you doing? I'm just going outside to do some shedding.
Look at the wheels. You can see through them.
Of course you can. They have spokes.
Yeah.
They're not
How
solid.
fine are they? Super fine spokes. Really nice. There we go.
Bit like you.
Fine spokes. Where are my fine spokes?
No, you did super fine.
Oh, thank you. You're too kind.
Scalextric.
So sets as well. We haven't got any sets here to show you, but there's plenty